In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever sent a PDF to a printer and had text reflow, substitute, or show little square boxes, the issue is usually missing fonts. Embedding fonts locks your document's appearance so it looks the same on any device, even if that machine doesn't have your fonts installed. Here's how to do it cleanly inside Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Start by opening the PDF you want to fix in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you're in the Pro version, not the free Reader, because we're about to use a professional pre-flight tool that isn't available in Reader. Next, go to the Tools area at the top, find and open Print Production, then click Pre-flight. If you don't immediately see Print Production listed, use the search box in the Tools view to find it and add it to your shortcuts. That way, it'll be easy to access in the future. When the pre-flight window opens, look toward the top for the category dropdown and choose either PDF Standards or Essentials, depending on your version. Now switch the view to Fix-Ups by clicking the little wrench icon. This is important because profiles and checks only analyze, while Fix-Ups actually make changes. In the list that appears, scroll until you find a fix-up named Embed Fonts or Embed Missing Fonts. Some versions also include Embed Fonts, even if text is invisible. That one can be handy if your file has OCR layers or hidden text from past edits. Select the option that best matches what you see. With the fix selected, click Analyze and Fix. Acrobat will scan your document and embed any fonts it can. You may be prompted to save a new copy, which is normal. It preserves your original while applying the fix to a duplicate. For larger PDFs or those with many typefaces, give it a moment to complete. A quick note on results. If certain fonts don't embed, it's often due to licensing restrictions set by the font creator. Acrobat will report those cases. If that happens, consider replacing those fonts in your source file or using a fully embeddable alternative before regenerating the PDF. Once the process finishes, you're done. As a confidence check, you can reopen Preflight and run an analysis, or look under File, Properties, Fonts to confirm that the fonts now show as embedded. That's all there is to it. Your PDF should now render consistently everywhere and be ready for reliable printing or archiving.